Hello guys, I'm Javad. Today I want to teach you the most useful tips on WhatsApp application. But at the first, I wanna thank to all of my subscribers for support me to achieve 1,000 sub on YouTube. Thank you so much and I love you. Also please subscribe and like this video and let's go. Well, for the first tip, I wanna tell you how to send a message on WhatsApp without saving that numbers. It's really easy and useful. Just need to type wa.me/country code and also number. In the next tip, I wanna tell you how to set useless data on WhatsApp. It's really nice when you have less data. And just follow like this video and you can do it very easy. Well, number 3 is how to see which devices connected to your WhatsApp and what we should do after seeing that. For example, a person hacked your WhatsApp. What we should do? Well, number 4 is how to know when a person seen and read your message. And it's really easy and you can do it really simple. Just need select that message and use info that you can see when your friend seen your message. Well, number 5 is how to write different and beautiful title in the WhatsApp. Just select that word and use 3 points at the keyboard. Well, in the next tip, I want to tell you how to see your favorite message on WhatsApp. For example, you select a star on your friend message. Then you should follow like this video and see how to see your favorite message. It's really easy. One of the most important and useful application for WhatsApp is a translate application. When you want to speak with your friend and need that, for example, she is Japanese and you don't know how to speak in Japanese, you can use that application and speak or talk or chat very easily with your friend. For example, in Play Store, just need search Google Translate. Then you can install that application and use very easily. Also, how to work with this application in WhatsApp. For example, just at first you should select your native language and your favorite language you want to learn it. Then after that, just select your words and copy on the Google Translate. Then you can translate very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video.